If you're up for getting an S23 Ultra, then this report might affect your decision of getting an upcoming Galaxy S23 Ultra. Galaxy S23 Ultra was expected to launch with a single processor, and that will be Snapdragon Gen 2. And even Ice Universe almost confirmed that Exynos 2300 is no more in the game for Galaxy S23 Ultra. But a report from South Korea indicates something different, and it is certain Samsung's official decided to go with Exynos 2300. According to the report, Samsung will use Exynos 2300 processor in the Galaxy S23 Ultra in some markets. Most units worldwide will feature Snapdragon Gen 2, but Exynos 2300 will be there, and both processors will be fabricated using a 4nm chipset. Now, if you want to see the other side of the story, Ice Universe is happy that we are not getting the Exynos 2300. As quoted from Qualcomm's chief financial officer, Qualcomm have shares about 75% in Galaxy S22 Ultra, and as they claimed, it will go up in Galaxy S23 Ultra next year. Although Samsung will use more Snapdragon Gen 2, but still, as per recent reports, chances are there we might see Exynos 2300 in Galaxy S23 Ultra. Honestly, Samsung shouldn't go with the Exynos 2300 at least for this year because it is not up to the mark. Let me know what you guys want to say about this in the comment section below. And one special announcement, if you're the one who haven't subscribed yet, why not subscribe it and be a part of our community? All of the news regarding the release date of Galaxy S23 Ultra were wrong. Yes, as per reports from South Korea, Galaxy S23 Ultra will be unveiled during the Galaxy Unpacked event in the first week of February, not January. And even we get the details of the event. The event will reportedly held in San Francisco, and the devices will go up on sale on Feb 17, 2023, which is completely different from what we have heard before. As per previous reports, Samsung is going to launch Galaxy S23 Ultra on January 5th, a month earlier than Galaxy S22 Ultra, but it seems like no one is confirmed about the release date, so it is certain the release date will be in Feb next year. If you are up for getting S23 Ultra, then you need to know about these things. First, there will be no battery update. Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with the same 5000 mAh battery, but will come with the light mode option, which will improve battery on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The big update you might see on the Galaxy S23 Ultra is its cameras, 200 megapixel sensor, Samsung's own sensor HP2. Other cameras will remain the same, and a big jump in the performance where it beat iPhone 14 Pro Max. Yes, Snapdragon Gen 2 is ahead of A16 Bionic chipset in GPU performance, as per numbers and benchmarks that were leaked before. If you want to see how Galaxy S23 Ultra spotted online, then you guys should check this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.